Hi parents, bear with me, I am losing my voice, but we thought tutorials to help you with strategies in math that you may have not learned as a child or just haven't practiced in a long time, like many of us, would be helpful. So next week we are going to be reviewing and then extending our knowledge about large number multiplication. And we're going to start using the area model, which is something many of us did not learn as children. So we thought it might be a good idea to have this as an example if you're wanting to help your students. So what this is for larger numbers. Mostly your students did learn it for smaller numbers last year. But for things like 65, and that pen is too large, let me switch that up, times 92. What this area model strategy helps with is understanding the place value behind these numbers, so then the algorithm makes more sense to them later. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a box. That's why sometimes the strategy is called the box method. And because we have 2-digit numbers, we need to create 2 columns as well as 2 rows. Then, and your students should be good at this, we're going to break each number down into its place value. So this 6 is not just 6, but it's 60. And if we add that to 5 ones, we have 65, so it's represented in an expanded form. Then we do the same thing with 92. That 9 is actually 90 plus the 2. Now we're ready to multiply. What this strategy does is allow students who know their multiplication facts to actually do most of this in their head. So we've learned that you start by multiplying whole numbers. So 9 times 6 is 54. Then we count. We have 1 0, 2 zeros, so we add 2 zeros to that product. Okay? Then I'll move across. 9 times 5 is 45. There's only 1 0 in our 2 factors, so that becomes 450. Then I again follow my 2 numbers together. 2 times 6 is 12. This time there's only 1 0, so 1 0 in our final product. And then 2 times 5 is 10. Now, to get the final product of the original problem, I have to take these 4 boxes and add them together. So I'm going to take 5,400 plus 450 plus 120 plus 10. And as I told students this week, you do not have to do all 4 numbers at the same time. You can add 2 and then add to that the next answer. So, and our nice little projector erased a little bit of that. So all of our ones places are equal to 0. 0 plus 5 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And we bring down that 5 all by itself. So we get a final product of 5,980. And if I were to go through the regular algorithm that we learned as students, we would get that same answer. So hopefully that helps. If you still have any questions, make sure to reach out to your child's math teacher next week. Thank you.